What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit crypto into the MEXC app using an external wallet like MetaMask as an example, so you can move your funds safely and start trading. First, open the MEXC app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on Wallets in the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where all your balances and transfers are managed. Next, tap on Deposit. You'll see a search bar at the top. Type in the name of the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. In this example, let's say you're depositing MEXC token, but the steps are the same for most coins. After selecting the crypto, MEXC will ask you to choose a network. This step is extremely important. The network you select on MEXC must match the network you use on the wallet or platform you're sending from. Choosing the wrong network can result in your funds being lost and not recoverable. Different networks also have different fees, so keep that in mind. For this example, we'll choose ERC20. Once the network is selected, tap to generate the address. MEXC will display your deposit address for that specific coin and network. Double-check the network and address, then copy the deposit address. If someone else is sending funds to you, you can also share the address or save it as an image. For some cryptocurrencies and networks like EOS, you'll also need to include a memo. If a memo is required and you forget it, the deposit may not be credited, so always check carefully. Now let's switch over to MetaMask as an external wallet. Open MetaMask, choose the same token and start a withdrawal or send transaction. Paste the MEXC deposit address into the recipient field and make sure the network matches exactly what you selected on MEXC. Enter the amount you want to send, tap Next, and review all the details carefully. Check the address, the network, and the transaction fee. Once everything looks correct, tap Send to complete the transfer. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your funds will appear in your MEXC account. The time this takes depends on the network and current traffic, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. And that's it. That's how you deposit crypto into the MEXC app from MetaMask or another external wallet. Always double-check addresses and networks before sending, because crypto transactions can't be reversed. If this walkthrough helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.